Welcome to our tutorial on enhancing your Google Maps experience by enabling accessibility information. This feature is particularly beneficial for individuals with mobility challenges, providing crucial details about wheelchair-accessible entrances, restrooms, and more. First, open the Maps app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon at the top right. Next, scroll down through the menu and click on Settings to access the app options. After that, tap on Accessibility Settings. Finally, toggle the switch next to Emphasize Accessibility Info to turn on this feature. Once enabled, Google Maps will display a wheelchair icon next to locations that offer wheelchair-accessible features. This includes accessible entrances, restrooms, seating, parking, and elevators. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.